Hi, I'm Captain Chris in Vero Beach, Florida. I'd like to tell you a couple of things about our Introduction to Boat Systems 2-day class in our garage workshop in Vero Beach. This is a raw water pump with the rubber impeller. I'm going to use a screwdriver to rotate it, and you can see how it works. This is a self-priming rubber impeller, and this is what's used on most boats. It's jammed. There we go. This is what's used on most boats for the raw water cooling system to pump water through a heat exchanger or multiple heat exchangers. I've got a heat exchanger right here. So this is called a tubing bundle in a shell, or tube in shell. And the water goes in there, the antifreeze goes in here, and then you can imagine that there's more over here, the other half of this, where the cooler antifreeze comes out, and then the warmer water goes out through the exhaust system. Something to look at here is with the tubing bundle, if it's clogged up with a lot of debris, you can use a welding rod, like this aluminum welding rod, and push it out, and that's called rodding out. So you can rod out your radiator in your car, you can rod out a heat exchanger aboard your boat. Another thing to look at, brand new rubber impeller if you need to change it. This is a smaller one that fits that red pump that I used earlier in the video, but let me show you what a bigger one would look like on a propulsion engine. A lot bigger. More horsepower, more cooling is needed. And the reason that we like to teach how to change these in our class is if your impeller fails, I've got a box full of parts, that's what's left of the rubber insert, and here are all of the pieces. So you're not going to have any cooling efficiency, the engine will overheat. If it happens on a Friday or Saturday, your weekend is ruined. We want to show you how to change it yourself. So you can learn how to change your rubber impeller. You can learn how to do a lot of other do-it-yourself chores in our 2-day class, Introduction to Boat Systems. So look at the bottom of this video for a link to our Introduction to Boat Systems seminars and sign up soon. Ask Captain Chris.